Alrighty, peeps, we're back. Lily Bomb riding the wave. Alright, we are in Photoshop. Getting the area selected. We're going to do the color. And I just expand the selection to kind of get it out in the lines, and it's not perfect. So now I'm going through and cleaning up. Just like an old coloring book. Trying to stay in the lines. I'm sure you could play with the modify, like the expand and contract, and probably get it pretty darn spot on, but for me it's just faster to go in and do the edges and bada boom bada bing. Just trying to give it that depth, you know, give the high spots and the low spots for the shadows. He's got some very John Stamos hair. Getting those tips done. Get that part right. Feather. He's got all the stuff going on. Feather, crease, little sideburn swoosh, little rat tail, or kind of baby mullet. A few little details just to give it a little extra flavor. Grab the dark brown. Paintbrush it on there, get a little darker, try to get some decent contrast. That'll pass for government work, as they say, onto the face. Just cleaning up all the gaps. You don't really have to do this, like, this is just where the black lines obviously are, and it's actually fine. I don't even know why I do this. I think it's just some OCD thing. But those little parts where you do the shading with the pen, won't select that, so that's the key part to go around and make sure you got all that. Alright, ooh, pinky. And paley. And albino. Alright, give him a little sun. Looks like the sun's shining bright on his face. Maybe he's in Hawaii. Alright, get that dark pupil. Next one. Don't forget the highlight. Oh, forgot the highlight. Or not. Oh, I put 2 highlights in there and I totally covered them up. That's funny. I didn't ever realize I did that. Cleaning up the drawing part, the outlines, you start seeing there were some little imperfections, so I broke down and went in to clean it up. Quality, folks. Quality stuff. Oh, a little sharpened point on the old ear. And even this stuff, I probably could have left it in and give it a little more hand-drawn feel, but I don't know, that's bugging me. Back to the eyes. That was like a little artistic tangent. Alright, got all that selected. Going for the 2-shot. Getting them both. Didn't forget the highlight that time, folks. Focused. Fun time. The eyes are always fun. Some purple. Exotic. Shading. Gotta get them tucked behind those eyelids. Oh yeah. So that they're all floating in there in that eye mucus. I think I went a little off the wall shading on these bad boys, but that's okay. It's definitely feeling the blue eyes. Ooh man, sultry. Tone it down a bit. I was like, alright, it's a bit too much. Gotta fill in the white in the eyes. Shade those up a little bit. Try to give them a little dimension. I realized I shaded in my highlights. The highlights are the theme of this one. Terrible highlights. And shading time. I think this is the funnest part because it kind of starts coming to life. And this one I did a little different than a lot of my others. Usually I go through and select every area that's going to be shaded and just like get a huge brush and dab it. And I don't know, for some reason this one I was like, oh, I want to do each individual thing. And I have no idea if one's better than the other, but just living life on a whim, folks. Round out the top of that eyeball there. Oh man, I'm getting crazy. I'm selecting a lot. Went off the rails. Started off doing one, got impatient. Yep, I'm like, screw it. The one by one's not having it. It's lasso time. Got a little sloppy with that. Boy, I'm getting very impatient, you can tell. First view, taking my time, zooming in, 1 point, one paintbrush. Now, nope. Oh, went back to that technique. All over the place. That is a strong jawline. I'm envious of that jawline. Chin, not so much. Jawline, for sure. This guy is possibly an addict of some sort or anorexic, because he has got some sunken in cheekbones. No judgment. Just saying. Oh yeah, he has some dramatic shadows. He is gaunt. Is that the right word? Gaunt. Getting funky with the highlights on this one. Lasso all day long. Walking ants, or marching ants, what do they call them? I think it's lip time. Nope. Oh, I had to tone down those highlights a touch. Oh yeah, sexy lip time. I think I give him some vivacious lips too. Oh yeah. There we go. Uh-huh. Chapstick on or something to get his shine on. Some deep shadows. Shows they're very luscious or voluptuous lips. He has some straight up woman lips. Drop it in the background. Some yellow on this to warm it up. I've been rolling on that aqua and pink jam for so long. I needed to steer a little different direction. Just some funky hippie background pattern, yo. Look at his disheveled hair. It's gone. This is like a straight up addict drawing. That's what it's rounding out to be. But hey, let him do his thing. I want to crispen up those highlights a little bit. Shady Steve, Psycho Steve. Thanks y'all for watching the channel. Please subscribe, please like, let's get this rolling. And go to lilybomb.com and get a shirt. It'll be super cool, and I'll love you forever. Bye.